Linguistic diversity in languages.
Following diagram represent different languages. Linguistic diversity in languages. Introduction. India is incredibly linguistically diverse with the constitution recognizing 22 languages as scheduled languages. However, the country is home to thousands of languages and dialects. According to the People's Linguistic Survey of India, there are over 780 languages spoken across the country. The major language families include Indo-Aryan like Hindi, Bengali, Punjabi, Dravidian like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Austroasiatic like Oriya, Santhali, Tibeto-Burman like Assamese and more. Definition of linguistic. Linguistic is the scientific study of language. The word was first used in the middle of the 19th century to emphasize the difference between a newer approach to the study of language that was then developing and the more traditional approach of philology. The differences were and are largely matters of attitude, emphasis, and purpose. The philologist is concerned primarily with the historical development of languages as it is manifest in written text and in the constant context of the associated literature and culture. The languages in India. There are three types of languages in India. First, Indo-Aryan family. Second, Dravidian family. Third, Tibeto-Burman family. In Indo-Aryan family, languages spoken Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Urdu. In Dravidian family, languages in spoken Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam. In Tibeto-Burman family, language in spoken Manipur, Meitei, Himalayas.
States and their languages. Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmiri. Himachal Pradesh, Hindi. Punjab, Punjabi. Uttarakhand, Hindi. Maharashtra, Marathi. Delhi, Hindi. Rajasthan, Hindi. Madhya Pradesh, Hindi. Languages spoken by percentage in India, which was followed: Hindi 30.79%, Bengali 8.95%, Telugu 7.98%, and Marathi 7.676%.
Most spoken language. Hindi is most spoken languages and the most spoken languages in the world. It can be heard across much of North and Central India and is spoken daily by 366 million people across the world. Hindi is the official language of India, with English being the second official language. Hindi belongs to the Indo-Aryan European languages family, which represents the largest of the language families in terms of speaker. The Indo-Aryan languages are spoken by more than 800 million people, are spoken in Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. The top languages spoken in terms of speakers are Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Punjabi, Marathi, and Gujarati.
Tribal language Santali. Santali is the most spoken language of the Munda subfamily. The language is mainly spoken in the states of Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Mizoram, Odisha, Tripura, and West Bengal. The Santali language is India's largest tribal language and is spoken by close to 6 million people until 1925. This language did not have a written form. Pandit Raghunath Murmu, known as Guru Gomke among the Santals, an extraordinary personality by all accounts, then created a script for the language. Sanskrit, an ancient language. The Sanskrit language, whatever be its antiquity, is of a wonderful structure, more perfect than the Greek, more copious than the Latin, and more extile refined than either, it bearing to both of them a stronger affinity, both in the roots of verbs and the forms of grammar, than could possibly have been produced by accident. So strong indeed that no philologer could examine them all three without believing them to have sprung from some common source, which perhaps no longer exists. Wonderful structure, more Sir William Jones, 1786.
Thanks for watching.